washing day is the worst day, but it's gonna be done. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I've just finished editing my Try Not to Laugh video, which was up on Friday. If you guys haven't already checked it out, go and check it out. It's in the description below, as well as my second to last video, which would have been on Monday because I missed Wednesday's video. Also, sorry about that, guys. I really do apologize. I had a video ready, but I just couldn't be bothered uploading it, and I didn't think it was up to scratch and what I wanted it to be looking like. But on the other hand, today's a new day. Today is going to be a way better video. Today we're going to get so much more stuff done. So we're meeting out with Ronan and Papa. We're going to just chill in a hopey, see what's up his channel, where's his merch going, everything like that, see what's pop. I don't know what we're going to do. I think we might go to the Hopey Beach School, go for a skate, do all that good stuff, see what's going on with everything in a Hopey. Okay, well, breakfast time. Bye, Willie. I haven't seen you this morning. How are we doing? Good. I'm gonna go get some food. Okay, I'll see you later. Goodbye. Goodbye. I love that dog. See you, Willie.
Had no need to fight tonight.
Really good.
Cast me far away. Play these little games. Acting all cast me far away. Today. Play these little games.
Okay, so we've got to we're gonna head to Ottawa and see what's up there because we haven't been there in a while. Don't have my surfboard, but there's some mean waves just rolling on through with Luis out there. I think I saw him catching a wave. We're gonna head to Ottawa, get some cinematics, but we've got to climb up that hill. 50 stairs to go. 500 to go. I'm heading down to the next lookout. Such nice views up here. I don't think Ronan's been to this one before though. This one's pretty dangerous. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Give it a like if you're enjoying, comment down below what you want in the next video, whether you want another Try Not to Laugh or something like that. And whoa, I'm on the edge of a cliff. It's crumbly, I'm hopping back up.
Want a hand?
No, I couldn't. I don't want to pull you down with me. Ronan, be careful.
Lift here. It's crumbling, holding onto the branch. This is beautiful, it's beautiful up here.
Okay, I'm hopping back over the fence where it's safe. Oh, oh.
Oh shit!
Stop you! I actually care for your safety.
Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight.
made it to Ottawa Beach. So compared to Hopi, where we just have normal sand, which is like very mushed up bits of glass, Ottawa has shells. So the heaps of big shells that have been crushed up when hitting the rocks and everything like that, and it makes like very rough kind of sand-ish kind of stuff. So nice here. To be honest, wishing that I bought my togs because I can go for a swim. I'm in long pants and Ronan's in short pants, so he can go for a swim if he wants, but I don't think he would want to. If you guys want me to start exploring more places like this in the future, just put it down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to do it because it's a lot of fun. It'll be nice to be able to travel and do stuff like this more often, but I've got school in about a week now, so I won't be able to do this as much. It'll be basically down to the weekends to be able to do this kind of stuff. But anyway, yeah, so just check it down in the comment section below if you guys want me to do more exploring type videos and stuff like that, because I'd more gladly be able to do that. But during the week, during school, I will be doing more of the trying to laugh stuff and stuff like that, because it's just easier for me and it's better for me, so then I can focus on my education while I'm in school. And then as soon as I leave school and start looking for a job, I can really focus on filmmaking.
That is epic.
Oh no! That's soaked, bro. Oh, Ronan! This is what this YouTube channel should be about. It is amazing being around this place. Ronan, this is it. Goodbye, Ronan. What was that, Ronan?
Dude, me and you were gonna jump into this pool here if we get the video up to 50 likes.
We're jumping in here when a storm is coming. We're gonna try and get up to where those birds are and see if we can get a shot of them flying away. Right, I think he's on to me.
You died for me, man.
I'm sorry, I just want a photo! I didn't mean to hurt you guys, I just want a photo. Right where the water was like going up with heaps of height. There's like 4 guys that are swimming where we were. Holy shit!
What are you up to?
We have made it off the hill. We're gonna go to the beach haven. We're gonna grab a drink. How hot would you say it would be?
Oh, roughly a good 30 degrees in here.
30? Yeah, about that.
And we're back.
Oh, fresh air, so nice. My drink. Oh, it's warm. Oh well, I'll just see you guys in beach haven because Ronan is taking forever.
the remix gone?
So guys, I'm back home now. Ronan had to go do some stuff for his family, so I decided to come home. And this is going to be the end of the video, so I hope you guys really did enjoy. I make videos 2 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday and Friday, so definitely go check out my older videos and my video on Wednesday, because this is Sunday's video. Next week is my last week of the holidays, so I'm really pushing heaps and heaps of videos. I might even try and do daily next week. Don't tell anyone else, but I'm gonna, so don't get the word out there yet, because I don't know if I can do this, but I'm gonna try my hardest for you guys, because YouTube has, I'm gonna make a separate video about this, but I'm just gonna briefly go over this, but YouTube has pretty much like crossed out anyone else that are wanting to make a living off YouTube, because before it was get 1,000 views in total. Yeah, you get 1,000 views in total and 1,000 subscribers and you can start getting paid from YouTube. As of pretty soon, no longer going to be able to monetize my video. Now it's, you need to get 10,000 views a month, which is crazy for me because I'm only on 297 subscribers. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got swooped down on seagulls, the big ones. It was so scary, and I was trying to get a thumbnail for this video, and obviously I've got it because there's seagulls swooping down. I was just going to sit next to one. Give it a like if you have enjoyed it. As of this YouTube monetization stuff, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If my goal is completed, which is 1K subs by the end of this year, I will be getting paid by YouTube at the end of this year, which is crazy to think of. I'm gonna be very grateful of you guys if you guys can really help me out with that one. Share this video around. Let's get this video to 50 likes, and by the end of the week, let's get this video to 200 views. 200 views in the week, and me and Ronan are going to go and jump off the rock and into the water when there's a storm. Comment down below, what are you liking about these newer videos? Am I getting better at filming? Am I getting more confident? Just let me know down in the comment section below. There will be a little white thing in one of these corners asking something, so go and just answer that. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on Wednesday's video. Peace out.